If you're looking for easy ways to help prevent the summer reading slide, one of the best literacy tools might already be hiding in your TV settings. Try turning captions on during shows and movies. Seriously, we started doing this more intentionally, and honestly, it is such an underrated literacy support. Why? Because your child is hearing the words, seeing the words, connecting spoken language to print, and noticing spelling patterns without formal practice. And here's the really interesting part. A lot of kids will start just casually reading the captions without even realizing they're doing reading work at all, especially with familiar shows. Because their brain already understands the story, it lowers the pressure and frees up that energy for noticing words and patterns in print. So, if you've got a child who resists summer reading practice, but happily watches Bluey or Paw Patrol or Disney movies, baking shows, sports highlights, or YouTube videos, try turning captions on all the time for a week and see what happens. Now, this isn't a replacement for explicit phonics instruction or reading practice, but is a really powerful way to keep literacy exposure going during summer break in a low pressure, real life way. And honestly, it helps grown-ups with vocabulary and spelling too. So follow for more practical and low pressure summer literacy ideas for home and classroom life.